Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news we have A Pack of Little Monsters and Robots as Enemy Battlers by Tyler Warren. A Pack of Animated Undead Enemies by Lo. A Hobgoblin by Ujie Masala. A Character Art of a Waiter by Kurose Mogi. Another character art of a salaryman, and a Heisei Otaku style male by Raiko, a bust of a blonde character, and a red-eyed character in a bunny costume by R. Clamidominus, a squared font by Goal, Disillusion, a trippy first-person dungeon crawler RPG where you explore an odd tower filled with odd characters. An icon pack of pixel emojis by a noob. A music pack of 2 underwater lo-fi tracks by Catch10110. An MV plugin by Napi that allows us to exclude certain data from save files to reduce their size. An MV and MZ plugin by Awaya Matana that automatically displays the name of a character depending on their face image. Aberoj background pack by 5 Happiness Co Limited and Komodo. A tool that allows us to create portraits and faces by 1UP Indie 2. An RTP edited tileset pack of a wooden interior by Cho. A tileset pack of a legendary palace for a winged unicorn by Kokoro Reflections. Super Retro World Water Dungeon Tilesets by Jif. And lastly, a tileset pack of a cemetery by Rafael Mattis. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.